Think about the world. Think about the world as we live in today. It's very, very different. It's changing rapidly. And every decade brings huge changes to our society. In that sense, the one thing that doesn't change is the fact that people have to confront risk. Learning about how to adapt to risk is what living in society is going to be in the future.
So the Risk Management Insurance Program at CU Denver started 11 years ago with a gift agreement from the Pinnacle Assurance. And it was to start basically a risk management insurance program and have students majoring in risk management insurance. And we've been offering a major as well as a minor in risk management insurance. We also have a graduate degree program. It's called Masters in Finance and Risk Management Insurance. So students can also actually get a certificate in risk management insurance. They can take 3 courses in the undergrad level or 3 courses in the graduate degree level to receive a certificate.
So it's a very attractive industry once they hear about it. Obviously, there's 50% of the industry retiring in the next 5 to 10 years, so that's very encouraging to them that they'll find a job. And the program does have 100% job placement of our graduates, so that's looking pretty good for them too.
When I came to university, I didn't actually expect to be able to finish. I came in with 1 semester's worth of money, $1,500. CU Denver has provided an incredible amount of support for me. I've won every scholarship for CPCU over the last 2 years. I've won the Prima scholarship as well, and I've also won several other more incidental scholarships for CU Denver as well as the CU Denver internal scholarships, in total amounting to over $15,000.
I think what makes CU Denver unique in our risk management program is this global risk management course. So we bring the students to London once a year, and they get to visit various brokers, syndicates, and find out more about the industry on a global perspective. We also bring students to Lloyd's of London, where they get to visit a syndicate and sit in the box at Lloyd's, which is a very unique opportunity for anyone in the industry, let alone students.
The expectations I had was fully met, and actually it's above and beyond. It's like I said before, it has changed my perspective of how I look at things in the insurance industry and how things work in the insurance industry. I think it has a lot of impact for me personally and with professional career of mine, and I'll take this with me for my life.
Now we were able to see Lloyd's, to see Aon, AIG, and it's just like, it's a really good opportunity just to be talking to people that have been in the field for quite a long time, and just encourage us to go that route to the risk management and insurance.
One of the unique things about our program at CU Denver is we do require that our students who major in risk management insurance complete an internship. The good news is we have lots of employers in the area, whether they be on the risk management side, the broker side, the carrier side, that have these opportunities available for our students. They're almost always paid internship positions. And if a student plans far enough in advance, they could possibly complete 2 or 3 internships before they graduate. So job stability in the insurance market, so a very good example would be COVID, right? So COVID occurs, and sadly a lot of people unfortunately lost their jobs. In the insurance industry, most of the individuals in the insurance industry kept their jobs. They were able to pivot, work from home. People still need insurance. They still need homeowners. They still need auto. They need commercial insurance. So insurance isn't going away. It's not something that is volatile. So even through a recession, there's still going to be insurance. Nothing gets done in the business world without insurance. To help students understand what happens in the industry, we do offer Shadow Day. And Shadow Day is basically an opportunity for students to go into our employer's workplace and to sit with people at their desks, hopefully, and watch them do what they do on a daily basis. Ask them questions. Be able to maybe talk to the chief person in the office, whether it's a CEO or an RFP or just the owner of an agency, and maybe pick their brain for 10 to 15 minutes.
If you have the desire, if you have the passion, then you can become very successful in this industry. When you look at the people who work here, they'll tell you, I've worked in the same industry for 30 years and without question, they'll always say, every day is different. It's never a boring job.